Today I have something a little bit different for you guys. It's something I'm going to try do at least once a month. I know you guys like that video I do every month where I tell you guys how much I've earned, but I've also stumbled across a Reddit where it takes you through loads of just little free offers you can get where you basically just get some free cash. So what I'm going to try do every single month, as long as there is a big enough updated list to warrant a video from it, I'm going to go through a whole range of offers that you can fill out right now and just get some free cash. I'm going to make sure that none of them require money themselves, so this will just be completely free money. Some of them might require you putting money into an account, but I will always double check with the accounts and make sure that you don't need to spend any money or risk money doing things either. So I will always make sure of that, do not worry. If something like that arises and you do need to risk a bit of money in one of them, I will obviously let you guys know during the video. There's about 2 in this one where there's a bit more risk involved, but I'll go into a bit more detail when we get to that point. So what I'm going to do then essentially today is show you guys how you can make about £215, I'd say by the end of the week, if you get all your accounts verified in time. So don't worry, sit back, maybe have a notepad to hand and make some notes about what these websites actually do. But if you want to make sure you stick around for next month's video on this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button too, because that makes such a big difference and honestly brings more people to the channel. The more people that come to the channel, the more people that will be able to recommend different websites like all of these and be able to get you guys some free money as well as me. So let's just get straight into it then. Most of the websites today then are literally just going to be sign up offers. So websites where they are offering you, say, £10 just to sign up to their account. You'll get £10, I'll get £10 as well, and basically we both win. It's going to be as simple as that. So if you hear something today and you've already signed up, then unfortunately you probably aren't eligible for the offers. But in addition to that, make sure you always check out this video in the future and you might be able just to get some free cash whilst you do it. So to start with, we'll go for probably the easiest one, and that is Honeygain. Now, Honeygain's a website where you can sign up and essentially sell off your excess internet. So if you've got really fast internet, you can sign up for Honeygain and basically rent out your internet speed. You don't make a lot of money through doing this, through using their platform. I think standard internet make around £20 a month if you have your computer turned on. So essentially, whilst you're using your computer, you can be selling the spare Wi-Fi to someone else. You'll make about £20 a month normally, but if you use the link down in the description where all the links for today are, you will just get a free $5. It's as simple as that. You sign up, the free $5 will be in your account. You can have this program running in the background. Now, in terms of what I get, I only get 10% of whatever you earn. So if your internet speed isn't quick enough, if you just genuinely don't want to use the website, if you just want to use it to get your free $5 and then go, you can by all means do that. I won't get anything, but I'm not too worried because I've also used this free $5 sign up code and have that money in my account. Each one of these offers I've done today to make sure that they work. So don't worry, they definitely work. Just be sure to follow the link down below and you'll get started. So Honeygain is the first one. I can't use Honeygain. It says it's not available in my location yet, but I'm still going to just open it up every time I start my computer, and then the day it's available in this location, it'll tick over and I'll be able to start earning some money. So I'm more than happy to get that added on. The second one we are going to go through is Curve. I'm sure if you watch YouTube, you will heard of Curve a lot recently because they seem to be sponsoring every single video. Now, Curve aren't sponsoring me because Curve have the same offer for everyone. If you use the link down in the description and sign up for Curve today and then use that card to buy something, literally you can buy something worth £1, £2, whatever you want, you will get a free £5 in your account. So essentially, get the Curve card, sign up for Curve, go to a shop, buy something for a fiver and you've got it for free. It's as simple as that. Buy something online for a fiver and you've got it for free. Curve card does have quite a lot of other advantages as well. I've had it for about a year and a half now. I signed up because my friend wanted to get himself a free fiver and we both got ourselves that free £5. But since then I have continued to use it. Essentially, if you don't know what it is it joins all your cards together. So if you're someone like me who has about 5-6 different cards, you can use Curve, have all your cards joined onto that Curve card, and then use just that one card. It keeps your wallet really clean, and you get quite a bit of cash back from different sources too. But if you just want to use it for your free fiver, go get the app downloaded, get an account made, get your free fiver, and then send your code to all your friends and family and try and get some extra free money on top of that as well. One I'm sure you guys are really sick of me trying to cram down your throats is Trading 212. If you use the link down below, once they're accepting people onto their platform again, then you will get a free share valued up to £100. It's definitely worth doing. I know the waiting list is getting quite long now. They did limit people coming on the platform around about the whole Reddit situation because lots of people just wanted to jump on that and they weren't able to deal with the demand of people signing up. But definitely get down, click the link in the description, sign up, and then once you're able to use the platform, you'll be able to get some free shares. Just one free share valued of up to £100, but then you can use your link and get another 20 free shares if you can get your friends and family to sign up. It's definitely worth doing. I've always used Trading 212. I'm going to be moving over to eToro in the next month, but that's purely just so I can research it and see if it's any good and show you guys what my opinions are on it. But it's definitely worth using the link down below for Trading 212. Even if the share comes back and it's £1, it's definitely going to be worth it. But if the share comes back and it's £100, then you're also going to be very happy with that. So definitely use the link down below if you haven't already, and go get that free share once you're allowed to sign back up again. So then the one after this is Ziglu. Now Ziglu is a cryptocurrency app. Now all you can do on this is buy and sell and whatever you'd expect to do with crypto. But this app is very simple to get your free £5 because that's what you get from using this link. All you have to do is sign up with the link in the description and deposit £1 into your account, purchase £1 worth of crypto, and then you're done. It is as simple as that. You'll then have your £5 in your account, and you can withdraw it, you can do whatever you want with it, but it is essentially that simple. So if you've been meaning to get into crypto, or you've just been wondering what would happen if you put £1 in a really obscure cryptocurrency, then you may as well go do it now, because you can either do it for free and then have a £4 free withdrawal in a few weeks time, or you can use £1 and then get an extra £5 worth of that currency as well. So it's basically £6 worth of currency for £1. It's completely up to you what you want to do with the money, but I definitely recommend signing up using the link down below. Of course, if anyone uses these links down below today and I get some sort of referral money coming in from it, I will 100% be letting you guys know about it in my monthly earnings video. I will not keep it secret. I'll tell you guys exactly how much we've earned, so don't worry about that. It will not be hidden. And if you guys also want to use these codes or these links to sign up to these places and don't want to use my code, then be sure to head over to Reddit, and more specifically about Reddit, head over to the Beer Money UK section. That's where I've got all these promotions from. So if you head over there, there is about 100 different links you can use for each one of these offers. So if you don't want to help me out and just want to get the offer for you, you can go over there and cut out me and get yourself the profit anyway. So Ziglu is just as simple as downloading the app, verifying your account, putting £1 in your account, and then making a trade with it. It is that simple. You'll have your free £5. Then moving on to the next one, we have Tide. Now Tide is a business account, a business bank account, but you can use Tide as a sole trader, and their definition of a sole trader is very broad. Now I won't recommend anything here, but their definition of a sole trader could be thought of as even if you were selling something over on eBay, or if you've ever sold something over on eBay or any other site, Facebook Marketplace, even potentially if you'd sold something to a friend once, you could be perceived as a sole trader according to Tide. Now the reason I am saying you should do this with Tide, even if you have a slim connection to a business, is because it is a free £75 in the account. This one takes a bit longer. By that I mean it takes a few weeks to get the money in your account, but in terms of the sign up, it's actually one of the quickest ones there is. So you just have to sign up, put in your own personal information, a bit of information about your business, like the business name, and that is it. And then, as long as you use the promo code FREE75 when you sign up, I get nothing, by the way, for this one, absolutely nothing from you guys signing up with the link, but it's £75. I'm obviously going to tell you guys about this because it's £75. Why wouldn't I? So use the link in the description, which is just Tide's website. Sign up and use the referral code or the promo code FREE75. Get your account made. I think you need to deposit £1 into the account, as you do with most of these. You just need to have something in the account, but definitely do that one. £75. It says on the terms and conditions it can take up to 8 weeks to get your £75, but as long as you get the £75, does it really matter how long it takes? Hopefully it won't take too long, and hopefully we'll get that £75 soon. I've just signed up to Tide. It was very easy. I'm about to add the £1 to my account. I just needed to get this video done, so obviously I'm using my phone as my camera. Now the final one we're going to be talking about here is Ticker. Now Ticker is the one where I said there's a bit more risk involved, and it's also the one I'm not going to be doing myself. The reason I'm not going to be doing Ticker myself is because it's basically an investing app. Now all you have to do to get the £15 is sign up, download the app, put some money into the account. You have to put in £5 to be specific. You don't have to buy anything with the £5. You just have to have that money in your account. But Ticker charges a fee for using their platform. The fee they charge is £1 a month. You get the first month free if you use the link that I will put in the description, and you get a free £15. But the free £15 has to stay in the account for 90 days. So that's already taken the amount down by about £2 because 3 months it has to be in the account for. So that's £1 fee for each month. In general, I just don't think that's worth it. It's a 3-month wait for £12. If you want that money quickly, go do some match betting, do some trading, maybe even just play some poker or something. But this one just feels a bit delayed for me. It doesn't feel like it's worth it. All the others you will get very quickly, apart from possibly the Tide one where you will have to wait possibly up to 8 weeks, but I'd rather wait 2 months for nearly £80 rather than wait 3 months for 15. I just don't think that one's totally worth it. It's a referral code in the description. It's not mine. It's one I took off the Reddit page because I didn't sign up for this myself. I didn't think it was worthwhile. But I also did not want to hide this offer from you guys in case it was going to be very useful for you. You might need that £15 in a few months. So if you feel like you'll need it, be sure to use the link down below. But that is it. I've showed you guys very quickly there how you can make some quick free money. You've got up to £100 on Trading 2 and 2. You've got $5 on Honeygain, £5 on Curve, £5 on Ziglu, £15 on Ticker, £10 over on Cash App, which I forgot to mention. Cash App is a very simple one. Use the link down in the description, sign up for your account, and it's not actually a free £10, it's a free £5. Sign up using the link below and you'll get a free £5 to your account straight away. The reason I thought it was a £10 offer was because there is a free £10 sign up offer out there, but to get the free £10 you have to make 50 transactions. So that one would take a bit more time, but the free £5 one is instant as soon as you sign up. For me on that one I also get free £5. But that is it. That's them all done now. You've got Trading 2 on 2 of up to £100. You've got Honeygain of $5. Curve £5. Ziglu £5. Ticker £15. Cash App £5, and the big one, Tide, guaranteed £75. So that is the total freebies I've been able to find for this month. If you haven't already, please be sure to hit that like button down below But before you hit the like button, just go get yourself the free money. There's no time to waste. Hit the subscribe button though if you are sure you don't want to miss out on next month's video, where I'll show you guys a load more free little promotional offers out there, as long as I can find some. And if you've obviously got any that I haven't mentioned here today, let me know down in the comments. Now, don't put links down there because they're not going to work. It will be auto disapproved by the comments. Comments don't like links going in them, so just don't worry about links. If you've got a link you want to post in the product, in the comments down below, be sure to kind of word it in a way so it isn't a link. By that I mean maybe get rid of the www.co.uk, make sure it's just not a hyperlink, and then hopefully it'll come through for me to approve, and I'll just approve them all down below. If you can't find a way to not have it as a link, then just mention the company that it's there for and the referral code and what reward you get. Put it in the comments and I'll definitely be sure to use it, so make sure you put it down below there, and let's help each other out. But thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed today's quick little video. I'll see you guys next time.